a fact that India is sitting on a power keg. पाकिस्तान की इकोनॉमी खराब, पाकिस्तान दुनिया में असले, तुम आ क्यों नहीं रहे फिर? What are you waiting for? He's bidding time है जी, we are waiting for the right time.
हम आएंगे, आपको जल्दी
आओ ना भाई, आओ. Why aren't you coming? Why aren't you coming? For the past 3 years you have been giving statements over and over again. ठीक है, तो आओ, आते नहीं हो ना, आते नहीं हो. वो तुम्हारा वो बिपिन रावत था ना, the clown that you guys had in the Indian Army, वो कहता था कि मैं कश्मीर का DNA बदल दूंगा. उसके बाद खुद देखा था how he was burnt और उसका DNA नहीं मिल रहा था. तो तुम लोग आते क्यों नहीं हो? ओए, so clown, that tilt-headed clown of yours was burnt. उसका DNA ढूंढने के लिए तुम्हें दिल्ली से टीम भेजनी पड़ी थी. You guys talking about Pakistan? Your filthy mouths. You talk about Pakistan? हाँ? आते क्यों नहीं हो? हाँ, now he's living up to your expectations, Arnav. अब ये वो है जो छोड़ा है तुमने मेरे पे. Now he's living up to it. पाकिस्तान की तरफ तुम मैली आंख से देखोगे ना तो तुम्हारी आंखें निकाल लेंगे. ये बात याद रखना. तुम में हिम्मत है तो बक मत करो और पाकिस्तान में दाखिल होके दिखाओ. अभिनंदन की तरह चाइनीज इस दफा मिलेगी. तुम्हारे छींथड़े उड़ा के तुम्हें वापस भेजा जाएगा. यू ब्लडी टॉक अबाउट एंटरिंग पाकिस्तान, नॉट इन योर वाइल्डेस्ट ड्रीम.
also needs to be blown to smithereens. Joshua Gupta is calling in from Lucknow in the last few minutes of this debate.
Colonized people, mentally colonized, ideologically colonized. What do you get from these guys? So I don't take these guys seriously anymore. I have nothing but a lot of contempt for most of them because most of them talk trash anyways. And frankly, just look at the way this guy talks. Look at the way he talks about a deceased person, right? It tells you about...
Yes, he was burned. He wanted to change the DNA of Kashmir. See, listen, you can add him up to the list of your 3,000 gods. I don't care. I don't respect Bipin Rawat. For me, he is a clown who got burned. That's it.